Hello everybody, and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. What we have here is an extra bit that I've added into the code from my previous video. I've added an LED over there, connected it to pin 2 on the Uno and ground. I've added in some code. So 2 lines of code have been added, or 2 sections of code. Put it that way. If sensor value is bigger than 500, turn LED pin on, so LED pin is high. If sensor value is less than 500, LED pin is low, turn the LED off. 2 other things happened in the code. LED pin is pin 2 on the Arduino, over there. And then pin mode for LED pin is an output, because you ought to tell the Arduino what the pin is going to be doing. And then on the screen you can see the analog value when that goes over 500. We turn on the LED like magic. This is going to be a nice series, and I hope you enjoy it, and follow along, leave comments, subscribe, click the notification bell, become a part of the community. Look forward to seeing you here. Have a wonderful day further, folks. Cheers.